Dear Shardema students, how are you all? Hope all of you are enjoying and safe at your homes. Chaliye, today we will do the reading of chapter number 4, Equatorial Forest. In this chapter, we will read about location, climate, plant life, wildlife, human life, and agriculture. Location. The equatorial rainforest regions, as the name indicates, are found near the equator between 0° and 10° north and south of the equator. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and remains hot and wet all throughout the year. If you look at the map carefully, you will be able to see that it is spread over parts of 3 continents: Asia, Africa, and South America. In South America, the countries located in this region are Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. The rainforest covers the entire Zaire, Congo basin, and the Guinea coast in West Africa. South Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, parts of India, and Australia are also situated in this zone. Climate. The climate of the equatorial regions is not hot and humid throughout the year. The duration of the day and night is equal. The humidity is very high because of the high rate of evaporation from large rivers, ponds, seas, and transpiration from plants. Rainfall is heavy throughout the year, with an average between 250 and 350 centimeter annually. Rainfall is accompanied with thunderstorms that is typical in the equatorial belt. There is only one season here, which is hot and humid without any winter or spring. Plant life. Since the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is a luxuriant growth of natural vegetation. The equatorial region is an evergreen region as all the trees remain green and do not shed their leaves at the same time. The trees grow in different heights, forming several layers. The trees of this region also have broad leaves and thick branches. Forming a canopy at their top. Mosses and lichen grow on the damp trunk and branches of the trees inside the forest. The equatorial forests are very useful. Ebony, mahogany, etc. provide raw material for many industries. These forests also comprise creepers, orchids, lianes, and tall trees. They release oxygen and a lot of moisture into the air, which form thick clouds and result in heavy precipitation. In fact, that is why they are called rainforests. Wildlife. Animal life in the equatorial regions is found in abundance. There are an immense number and variety of insects. For example, butterflies, mosquitoes, spiders, etc. Animals like gorillas, chimpanzees, wild pigs, and okapis are found in this region. The famous anaconda snake is also an inhabitant of the Amazon basin of South America. Gorillas are found in West Africa. Big animals such as jaguars, crocodiles, and elephants are also found in this region. There are as well a large variety of monkeys and colorful birds. Human life. The equatorial regions is one of the most thinly populated parts of the world. Some areas such as the Amazon basin, the Zaire basin, and many large islands of Indonesia and the Philippines have extremely sparse population due to dark, dense, and damp forests. Bantu tribes are found in the Zaire basin. The Indonesian island of Sumatra is populated by the Javas and the Kubus. Agriculture. Some people in these regions practice shifting cultivation. Crops like maize, rice, and cassava are grown after clearing a patch of forest for 2 to 3 years After some time, when the fertility of land diminishes, the people move to a new area. Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is widely practiced in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, West Africa, and Central America. Plantation agriculture specializes in the production of a particular crop. Through this method, crops are grown on a large scale for commercial purposes. The crops grown in these plantations include tea, coffee, rubber, and cocoa. Have a nice day, kids.